Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. It's 6 in the morning. We just made an instant plan to step out for a morning walk. More than a walk, just to refresh our minds and relax, enjoy the serene beauty, hear the birds chirping. This is a beautiful park and it has a beautiful lakeside view. This is very close by to my home, so it's sometimes very easy to just step out and refresh your mind and calm your soul, remove all the negativity, and just enjoy the nature for a while. We sat by the lakeside enjoying the nature, the birds flying, chirping. Back home, back to the daily course, back to the grind. Luckily, it started raining once we were back home. Rainy season is my favorite season. Let me know which is your favorite season. Here it rains almost the entire time, sometimes non-stop, so it gets difficult to step out at times. We were just enjoying the splashes of rain, listening to the rain droplets and the cool breeze. The first thing I do in the morning is make my bed. Today everything was pending since we stepped out early morning with no plan. I freshened up and changed and now I'm making my bed. The most satisfying thing for me is replacing my old sheets with fresh sheets. Changing the sheets changes the vibe of the room. It gets a lot of freshness to the room. I haven't done much to this home yet since we are traveling shortly. अब आते हैं लंच प्रिपरेशन की तरफ. Today's menu is fish fry and fish curry. For the fish fry, we are taking 2 to 3 tablespoon paprika powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 to 4 crushed garlic pieces, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, add half teaspoon of salt. Salt depends on your taste. And then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Paprika powder you can add as per your taste. For color you can add Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix all this well and add crushed curry leaves. Later add the fish pieces and mix it well and let it marinate for half an hour or 1 hour. मिक्स इट वेल ताकि मसाला अच्छे से लगे. After the marination of fish fry, we are making here fish curry. For fish curry also we are marinating the fish pieces in turmeric powder and chili powder. Coming for the puree of the curry, you need 1 coconut, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. This is a Kerala recipe and my in-laws eat fish almost every single day. It's like a staple food, seafood. Add the coconut and all the spices into the mixie jar along with tamarind. Tamarind you can consider as 1 tablespoon. We had soaked it and kept. So we'll add all of this and mix it. This is how the consistency will look like. To this add little water and 1 tomato roughly chopped. After adding tomato, mix it again and transfer it to the cooking pot. This is an easy and quick recipe. To this we are adding 1.5 tablespoon of salt. After adding salt, stir it. Here the curry looks too thick, so we are adding 1 cup of water. Let it cook for a while. Once the bubbles start appearing, add the fish pieces. After adding the fish pieces, let the curry cook for 5 to 10 minutes and then garnish it with curry leaves. The fish curry is ready. Here the fish fry is ready. A simple lunch menu with rice. Later in the evening we decided to step out for a drive. since the weather is so pleasant and it's raining. Watching the sunset evokes a sense of peace within me. It shows that beauty exists in the simplest things around us. We stop by the beach that's the closest to our home. This is the Miramar beach. In the hustle bustle of our daily lives, we forget to see the nature, observe the nature, and spend some time. Took a moment to appreciate the beauty that lies around us. This is sometimes so healing. Seeing everyone order corn, I started craving for it. Hence, we ordered one and enjoyed it with the sunset view. As the sun dips, we were strolling across the water edge, capturing the essence of the gentle waves, the salt breeze. While stepping out, we spotted a double-decker tourist bus, and finally ending the day on a sweet note with some dessert and live music. Today's video comes to a close. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. So until next time, keep chasing your dreams and living your stories. See you soon with another video.